Guys, welcome to my vlog. Very happy afternoon UAE because it's summer. I'm going to the mall, the WTC. I need to do something in Al Ansari because the Al Ansari is calling me yesterday. They're blocking my travel card. Somebody tried to use my travel card to pay online transaction, international online transaction, but it declined because no money inside the card. That's why I need to change my card. Change a new card. But before I go to the Al Ansari, I need to grab the empty bottle and the sparkling machine. See, I'm here already in the WTC. This is the WTC in my back. WTC building.